Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a baked chicken recipe, and this is my favorite recipe and I wanted to share with you guys. So if you're ready, let's get started. So in this bowl is already washed chicken, and I'm just going to marinate it with salt. And after that, guys, we are going to go ahead and set it aside because we want it to sit for a little bit. So the next thing that we are going to do after marinating is move on to making our seasoning. So I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper seasoning, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, adding in 1 teaspoon of everglades cactus dust rub, as that looks like, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, ½ teaspoon of cumin seasoning, 1 teaspoon of creole seasoning, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, and you want to go ahead and mix it up. Well, I decided to add a ½ teaspoon of smoked paprika, ½ teaspoon of salt and garlic and herbs, and a ½ teaspoon of baking powder. And continue mixing, and I think we are ready to season our meat. So before we add our seasoning to our chicken, we are going to go ahead and dry the chicken. So you want to pat it dry, like really good, guys, like I'm doing over here. After dry patting our chicken, we are going to move our chicken into a bowl, and then we are going to go ahead and add some oil. So for everything that I used in this video, guys, I'm going to leave everything in the description below. And after that, you want to continue mixing your chicken, making sure that the oil is covering the chicken. And then over here, guys, we are just adding our chicken on a rack and then seasoning it, making sure that every side is well seasoned. After you coated the chicken with seasoning, you are going to bake this chicken at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes, and then increase the heat to 400 for the next 30 minutes. So the total time should be an hour. And this is how the chicken looks like, guys. You want to make it rest for a little bit. I did add some seasoning on top of the chicken because I wanted some extra seasoning. That seasoning was so good, guys. So now the chicken has rested. You want to make sure it's rested for about 20 minutes before you start eating it, because you want it to return all the juices. And guys, this chicken was so good. I had to share the recipe. And I just want to say thank you for watching this channel, for subscribing, and for commenting. And I'll see you next time. Bye.